Hey Shaz, how's it going?
Hey.
Hey Caitlin.
Oh, are you?
Hey Brandon. Oh. I was like, who this? Aww. How cute. Galvin's just lurking. So we're here to watch them explode a building.
Hey.
Theoretically. Shaz, where are you?
I don't know what to do and I'm on camera, I'm just gonna sit and smile.
I must figure out which building they're gonna blow up. Because one of them's too close. One of them has people in it.
I'm hoping it's all of them. All the buildings, please. Yeah. Please. If all the buildings crumble, we get a free degree. Free degree. Please.
Degrees. And you know, all the people inside the buildings. Wow. Wow.
Necessary sacrifices. Please document the failure of the timings. We've been severely disappointed. I am frankly offended my time was wasted, and now I'm going to drown my sorrows in spinach.
That's a terrible way to drown your sorrows.
Yeah, can you give me baby spinach?
I don't drink
Chocolate. Actually, Jack.
hot chocolate. I will have chocolate and spinach. That sounds like a good combination. Make it the new Cadbury random
That's
disgusting chocolate. I mean, hell, they did the Vegemite one. Now
Now
apparently
this was
Boost
my
Juice is doing Vegemite. You hear that?
Sticks. Well, someone has a problem with Vegemite.
I hate Vegemite too.
Oh! Get out. You don't deserve to be in this video.
Get him! Get him!
No!
Get him!
No!
Break their privacy.
No!
Yes!
No!
Do it.
It's hella cute.
Us guys, we don't care about privacy.
Well, that wholesomeness.
Clickbaited. I almost died. 500-ton building collapse.
Oh, it's got a giant claw.
Oh wow.
Yes! Get it! Yes! Pull it down! Goodbye! Yeah!
Let out that pre-exam stress, guys. Just let it out.
Yep.
Can I have a go at the tractor, please?
I can demolish stuff too. Have you seen my grades this semester?
Damn. Too real. Too real.
Boys are in the circle.
They were just chilling there, having fun and all, and they kicked him out. That's moving them. They were just chilling, you know?
And now they're at another table, which is dogging the boys from this table.
Because those are the boys. She's dogging the boys.
Yeah, she's moved the boys from
Everyone's
one
the boys.
table to another.
Everyone's the boys.
Here are the boys. This is the boys. And they moved the boys to another table,
Yeah.
which means
They
they're dogging the
de-boyed
boys.
us.
Can you dog the boys when you're not part of the boys though? Because she wasn't part of the boys.
Those guys,
No.
those
Yeah.
guys were the boys.
Yeah.
She dogged them.
That's not how it works. You can't dog the boys if you're not part of it.
No, dogging doesn't require you to be one of the boys. Dogging's just having a dog act. All the time, the boys dog. By dogging the
Surely they
boys,
have a,
that's usually for the missus. So
I'm
anyone
going
can
on
dog
Urban
the boys.
Dictionary to find the
God.
definition.